Welcome learners for the lecture 30 of mathematical method. Today we discuss about the property of a Laplace transform. They will be generated as a first property. They will be considering as a for considering to the value L of f of x plus minus g of x. Both of this Laplace is added to this form. Second property is the Laplace of alpha of f of x. Alpha is a common generated as a f of x. Third property as a Laplace e to the power ax f of x equals to f dash is minus a. This property, fourth property will be considering as a function that is a Laplace f of x equals to f dash x in a generating to the form. Next property L of a f dash x equals to is f dash s minus f of 0 will be considering to the form. Property will be considering to the form 6f double dash x equals to s square f dash x minus s f0 minus f dash 0, both of this form. Laplace of x to the power n f of x equals to minus 1 square d square upon ds to the power n s square f dash x will be generated. First property will be considering, that is a if L f of t equals to f dash p and L g of t equals to g dash p, then Laplace first considering to the form of this equation, they both of these expanding to the form alpha and beta is a constant condition. By definition of a Laplace transform, we considering to the form L of f of t equals to f dash p equals to generated to the value integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus pt f of t dt will be generated. This is the equation first. Then Laplace of alpha f of t plus beta g of x, both of this condition will apply to the form separated to the equation of this minus integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus pt alpha f of t plus e to the power minus pt pgt will be generated to the form. Both of this condition, alpha is a common, integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus pt f of t dt plus beta will be generated, integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus pt g of t dt will be generated. Alpha beta is a constant condition will be given. Alpha is generated to the form. This condition is called as a Laplace of f of t plus beta will be generated to the form. This condition is called as a Laplace of a g of t in both of these conditions. Then form to the function, that is a alpha will be considering as a f dash p plus beta will be considering as a f dash p. Second property is the shifting property. In this shifting property, they consider to the form Laplace of a f of t equals to f dash p and then L consider e to the power alpha t f of t equals to generated to the value f dash 1 minus alpha. Then by definition of a Laplace transform, we considering to the form in this equation only uses as a shifted to the form of the equation. Laplace of f of t equals to f dash p equals to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus pt f of t dt. This equation first. Then put up to the value of equation in e to the power alpha t. This will be changes to the form integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus pt e to the power alpha t f of t dt. This condition then expanding to the form and captured to the condition first, that will be generated as a 1 f of t p minus alpha will be generated. Then it is called as a f dash p minus alpha will be considered. So f dash p minus alpha will be generated to the form. Third property is the change of a scale property. In this change of a scale property, only changes to the form for value will be getting in this condition. Okay, what is the condition? L of f of alpha t equals to 1 by alpha f dash p by alpha will be generated. By definition of a Laplace transformation, Laplace of f of t equals to f dash p equals to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus pt f of t dt. Laplace will be considering function of a f of alpha t equals to generated to the value, that is the integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus pt f of considering as a t generated as a alpha t in this form. This is the second equation. Put considering alpha t equals to y means t equals to y by alpha, and if derivative of this form dt equals to dy by alpha in this form. Limit will be changes t equals to 0, y equals to 0, t equals to infinity, y equals to infinity. Substitute all this value in equation first. L considering as a f of alpha t equals to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus p of t f of y by alpha f of y dy by alpha. Okay, 1 by alpha is a common in both of this condition, integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus p. Put up t value, that is a y by alpha f of y dy will be generated to the form, that is a 1 by alpha integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus p. This considering at that form alpha is a common y to the generated dy. This condition will be up. Then replace y tends to t 1 by alpha integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus p upon alpha to the power t f of t dt. Means the 1 by alpha generated Laplace of f of t minus p by alpha will be condition will be generated. This value is considering that is 1 by alpha f dash minus p by alpha, because f of t will be considering by using to the formula. This is all three property. First is a property they will be getting as a replace property, shifting property, as well as the changing of the variable.